bend like a tree, crawl like a bug.
Because we get to go on awesome hikes. I like Wild Bear because we do fun projects. I like Wild Bear because we play outside. I love Wild Bear because we do everything.
Hi, I just wanted to give a heartfelt thank you to all of the people involved in keeping these kids outside. It's a noticeable difference that we can see over time in their happiness, in their sociability, and it's such a positive impact in this crazy, crazy time. We're so happy to be here, making all these positive changes, reaching all these people. We love you. Thank you.
Sky, tracks and scat, salamander too. The earth is good and good for you. Wild bear nature, see the forest through the trees. I love